In this video, we are going to be analysing MGAM. So to get straight into it, what are going to be the key focuses on the shorter term time frame? So if you're looking to trade this stock this week, these are the levels that we'll be paying attention to. On the resistance side of things, we have a level at $3.15, $3.85, $4.10, $4.50, and a final level at $5. So these levels, even on the short-term time frame, we can see are very far off from here. It would require about an 80% increase to get to that final target. So really that key focus will be if we can break above this 315, come back to test it as support, then in time we should be able to expect a push to 385. Now on the other hand, if you're more bearish on this stock or you just want to know the support levels, then our closest support level is $2.50, obviously a key psychological level as well, so would be most likely quite a strong level. If we break that, we'll be looking at 220, 180, and then breaking final levels at 125, 110, 42 cents, and 31 cents. So these are the levels on the short-term time frame if you're looking at a longer-term outlook on this stock. And these levels are going to be the stronger ones as well because they just don't change anywhere nearly as quickly as those shorter term time ones. We would be looking at 360 as a key resistance. And what you can actually see is that is in between our short term time frame. So if you were trading this on a short term outlook, definitely be paying attention to this 360 longer term level because that will be a key and strong resistance. Now, if we break that, we're looking at 590 / kind of 620 as those next resistances. And then breaking through there would be $8.25 and then also $8.75. And then final levels taking us out to around $10.50 to $11.20. And what are going to be those key support levels if we end up falling in price? And that's going to be around $1.20 because that is going to be our statistical mean on the daily, and right below that around $1.10 you have the statistical mean on the 6 month. So these are going to be the key supports. We can't go any lower than that because the deviations turn negative. So the key focus would then just be would be psychological levels. So the $1, 75 cents, 50 cents, 25 cents if we were to continue falling. Anyway, that is the breakdown. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video here.